This is why I don't like making videos now. I don't got passion for this now. Welcome back to my channel, and today I decided to do a room tour. You know, like you guys be asking for the video. This is exactly what you see. Let me show you guys. This is what you see when you go in my room. You know, I have my bed. At first I wanted to do my room all white, but you know what, I got tired. Okay, so I have a as you can see, I use this at night when it's really cold. You know, like it kind of helps me sleep at night. And I have, you know, a white carpet, whatever you want to call it. And of course I have a heater over there because I hate the cold and my room is always cold. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys around. I'm gonna show you guys around what I put everything. So remember guys, I took this from New York. I got that from New York or whatever. Okay, so for every month in here, I write like my quotes, kinda. Before, it used to be something about my mom, so I changed to my name for this month. And in here, I kind of have some magazines. Oh my god, this camera don't want to focus. Can you focus? Can you focus? Okay, so in here, I have some magazines or whatever. And you know, I kind of use this for, oops. So I kind of use this like when I want to have photo shoot ideas, all that jazz. And so here I have my perfumes. You know, I have to buy more. Those are from Rihanna. I think I got it from Perfumania, whatever. And it was like a set. And here I have my hairspray. And I want you to go down here, just like decorations. Like that, decorations or whatever. I have these lights. Sometimes I use at night. And in here I have my towels. This is from Calvin Klein, whatever it's called. This is just a white towel. This is just a black towel. What else? And then when you go here, oh my god guys, I forgot to tell you. So I cut my hair. Like I cut my hair really bold. Yeah, but I will do a video on that too. So once you go here, you know, I have this mini light room. I got it from Forever 21. Like sometimes I use when I'm doing my makeup, even though the lights are really small as my brain, but it's okay. So then here I have my pillow, and I use this when I'm doing my makeup because you know we all like to be comfy. And then this is my makeup set. I have to wash my makeup, by the way guys, don't judge me. Anyways, don't judge me. So this is my mirror, what I use to put my makeup. So I was using these pills to make my hair grow, and then I shaved my hair, so I don't know the point why I bought it. And then I have this Morphe makeup. I've been using this for like, honestly, I've been using that for, I would say 4 years or 3 years, honestly. And in here I have my makeup brushes. I have my contour palettes, whatever you guys called. I have my, oh my god, this is so dirty. I have my Rihanna foundation, and I have my Fit Me foundation. I have my drugstore lash. Wow. I have my drugstore lashes. My hands hurt. I don't know how these YouTubers do this. And I have my lashes here, of course. So these lashes, I got it from AliExpress. If you guys want to know how to get really cheap lashes, just let me know. And then I have my highlight in here. I have, so everything for my eyebrows, I kind of, oh my god, I don't want to record this part, but okay. Everything, oh my god. So everything for my eyelashes, everything for my eyebrows, I put it here. I have my lip gloss. I barely use lip gloss, I don't know why. But yeah, so so basically this is my bed. Voila. I got this bed from what I got it from again? Jesus Christ. IKEA, there you go. I got this from IKEA. It was like, I believe it was like 100 and something. And I got my closet from IKEA too. My closet was just 99 cents, like dollar. So my closet was supposed to be open actually. My closet, oh my god, do you guys see me? Hi everybody. So my closet here was supposed to be open, but I decided that I wanted to leave, no, wait. My closet here was supposed to be closed. So it's supposed to have 3 doors. But I was like, no what, let me do something new. Let me pull my closet, 2 sides closed, 1 side open. So you know, we decided to open this closet, and shout out to my roommate Joshua. He's the one that him and my boyfriend, they built this, and Joshua just built this, the bed. So let me show you guys my closet. Don't judge me, okay? Right now I'm gonna show you guys my shoes collection. I got this pair of boots from Mandy. They were only like $8. I know guys, $8 freaking dollars. I love them because they go with everything. I got this from this red boots from Steve Madden when I used to work there before. And then these shoes I got it from Mandy's too. They're only $8. And then these beautiful shoes, I love them because they're so shiny. That I got it from the mall for Forever 21 too. And these are my pair of sneakers, guys. I barely got any sneakers, but this is really those are my new sneakers, by the way. I love them. I got from, oh my god, this is dirty already. I got it from Steve Madden. And then I'm gonna show you guys my, ow, hit myself. I'm gonna show you guys my clothes. Yeah, don't judge me. Like, I don't have that much clothes because I'm always throwing my clothes. I cannot focus. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is my clothes or whatever, blah 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 blah. So right here is where I put my work clothes myself. And then this is just a decoration. What else? Oops. I'm gonna place this like this. Can you guys see? Okay. So here is where I put all my, you know, like my house clothes. Like if I'm home and I'm just chilling, I put all my home clothes in here. My drawer for my wigs and everything. You know, here secure the wig. You know, and then the bottom one where I put my underwear and whatever. What else I want to show you guys? Here is where I put my jackets. My bags are here. Honestly guys, my room is not done, so don't judge me. Here is where I put my other stuff. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite pair of botas. Okay. Alright. So, oh my god. Okay, so this is my favorite pair of boots. I got it from Steve Madden, and I got this black boots from Forever 21. So because my boots really don't look, my boots are usually long, I put it over there. Oh, so here's what I have all my jackets, my jacket and my coat. This is a photo of, yeah, girl. Yep. Of course, and this is my phone. Who's texting me? Doesn't matter. Yep, and then here is where I put my charger over there. Yeah guys, so this is basically my room. This is my room. If you guys want me to do like a apartment tour, let me know. I will do it. Guys, I'm bold, you know, and my face looking really crusty right now. But don't forget to like and leave it a comment down below. And guys, we are almost to 1,000 subscribers. Almost. You know what? I'm home alone, and this is why I'm so loud, because finally I'm home alone. By the way, this is my room. Bye guys. Bye guys. We almost to 1,000 subscribers. Yay. Probably look ugly, but it's okay.